My name is John Richards. I'm the Senior Terminal Supervisor at Heidelberg Materials at the Mason City plant. So at this plant, we make our regular cement, and then we make a Type 3 cement that's a higher strength. Average year, it's about 800,000 tons. When equipment's not working right, it causes a lot of chaos. The buildup in the silos is something that we deal with literally on a daily basis. When cement hydrates, it makes chunks or it makes slabs, and it gets to a point where you can't get cement out. That reduces our ability to grind enough product to maintain levels for shipping. Well, then I have to tell the customers you can't come pull product. We had a silo that was an issue before we bought the BinWhip. We were going to hire a contractor to come in and do the work. The quote that I had gotten that day was for like almost $40,000. And he was like, hey, we can be here in 6 to 8 weeks. Well, I don't have 6 or 8 weeks to deal with it. And that's where I was like, you know, the ability to do it when we want right away, that was key to me. I was actually kind of shocked at how simple it is. You've got a hydraulic unit and a boom that goes down inside of the silo, and then there's a whip head and it's got chains on it, and they spin and it breaks off the material. I truly believe if we maintain the silos and get them into a rotation of cleaning them, then that's preventative maintenance. And preventative maintenance is always better than panic mode, you know? It seems obvious to me that you're saving more money long term. Can I grab my calculator?
Sure.
We've cleaned 6 silos, working on 7. So that's $266,000, so over $250,000 to clean those silos that we've done ourselves. So that whip's paid for itself like 6 times over already. Why would you not have a whip? Why would you not use it on a regular basis? It makes things safer, right? I don't have guys using jackhammers. The guy that trained my guys on the whip is always available to answer questions. Pneumat has it figured out as far as how they take care of people. I would highly recommend calling Pneumat because they will set you up, train you, help you, walk you through the process, and honestly make your life easier.